Good morning! Yeah, they're eating some chocolate bunny and friends or whatever the box is called.
We're eating the chocolate bunny extra sauce.
Okay. What are you doing, Lachlan? Eating your chocolate bunnies?
Yeah.
I am tired, but I feel really good today. Do you ever just feel like in your heart you just feel happy and you just wake up and you're tired beyond belief. Like my coffee's going right now. But you're happy and your heart feels good and I don't know, I feel really good this morning and it feels great. In the mornings, I usually have my coffee and then I do work on my computer if I need to. So if I have anything for YouTube I need to do, my friend sells off eBay and I help him manage his stuff and I do the shipping stuff, so sometimes I do that in the mornings. And so I got that done.
I wanted to do it all of my paperwork. This is paperwork I'm doing. I'm doing my home duties.
If you've seen previous videos, you know this area has been a disaster. That's going to be its own video. I have 2 desks. Is that a fishy? I got 2 desks and that's going to be its own video. Me completely redoing it, and so that's separate, but you can probably notice that it's a lot nicer right now. So this is our homeschool basket. I'm still, or her homeschool container or whatever. I'm still, Lachlan, that's the eraser, not that side. There you go, buddy. I'm still figuring out how we're gonna do everything. Right now it's just very basic. But I've shown this, I got this from Walmart. I think it was like 5 something. And I got like her basic supplies of anything that she could need. And then in here is various activities. I'm not going to show like the whole thing, but like a sticker book, writing, dry erase writing, connect the dots, different drawing and workbooks and everything. So
what's this part for?
So because, hold on baby. So because we're more like unschooling, the whole point is that she can go through this, pick out what she wants to do, and then, thank you Lachlan. This is like a cutting and pasting book that she chose to work on this morning. So she's cutting out the pieces and then she will glue it on. Lachlan, she's taking a turn. Do you want to cut with scissors?
No.
Okay, then you'll have to wait, bud, because Allison's taking a turn. So the whole point of this is she just gets to decide what she wants to work on. You need some help?
I need help putting up the bed. It's too big.
Okay.
Oh, good. But why did it not fun and do my activity? Do you want to show me what you made?
Ta-da! Now she made a bird. That looks so great, Allison.
I made a bird.
Okay. What, Lachlan?
I'll take a bird.
Okay. Do you want to go play outside? Do you want me to put shoes on?
No.
Okay, we're not watching TV right now. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, we can do that one. Can you cut out the squares? So with all of her homeschool stuff, it's okay. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, okay. 1 minute, baby. 1 minute. With all of her homeschool stuff, it is all based on what she wants to do. Okay, 1 minute. It's all based on what she wants to do, what she's interested in, and even if what she's interested in, what she wants to do, has like specific directions on how to do it, I will let her kind of do her thing. Sometimes she wants to do it the way you're supposed to, and other times she wants to be creative and do it her way, and that's 100% okay with us. Okay, so Allison said she's done, and that's 100% fine by me. We are very like unschool with it. So yeah, and I just love how easy and quick this is to clean up. Now all her stuff is together. Lachlan does not have one of these bins. I mean, he's 2. She's 4.5, so so yeah, and then for now, I don't know if I'm keeping it. This just goes right down there. Lachlan was doing some stamps, so this just goes in there, and this goes back up here. So I'm sitting at my desk doing some work, and then Pele. This is what happens when she wants breakfast. You want to eat? Down. Down. Thank you. You want to eat? You want me to feed you breakfast? All right, come on, let's go. Let's go get breakfast. Go. So the kids tidied up the living room. We're still kind of recovering from everything that happened in May. Okay, in a minute. But they tidied. Hey, let's make sure we're asking nicely, okay? And so that was the deal, was they earn an episode of TV if they clean the living room, and I think they did pretty good. Lachlan even helped, which is huge. Lachlan never wants to help. So while they are occupied, I am gonna go get myself ready for the day. Okay, so I was trying to do a kind of like get ready with me montage, but I went to change my battery and this little screw on my tripod snapped off inside my camera. So I'm gonna be vlogging the rest of the day without a tripod. We'll see how this goes. So Allison's over here playing with some Play-Doh. Sure, Allison, by the way, look at your fish. She got this from the Dollar Tree when we went. And the little fishies grow. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Your fishies grew.
I think a little more.
I don't know, they might, but I think that's pretty big. They were a lot smaller. They were the size of the little beads when we first got them. So they grew, it says 4 times their size, or 400% or whatever it is, I don't know. So what you doing with Play-Doh over here?
I'm making a teddy and do it. I need to get down.
Okay, let's see.
I find it in on my own.
Wow.
Wait. Oh, I
There you
want
go.
to do the other way. I want to do
Oh,
the fight.
so this one or that one?
That.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You.
There you go. Are you having fun today?
Growing.
It's growing. Later I have a doctor's appointment and you're gonna hang out with Mom at home with Lachlan, okay?
At Papa too?
No, Papa's not here. Papa will be at work.
When you leave?
Yeah.
And what about Mima?
I don't know. I don't think Mima will be here. Hey, So how'd you like starting dance class?
It's kind of good.
It's kind of good.
Yeah. That's a little bit.
What kind of dance are you doing?
Body been soap.
Are you doing ballet and tap?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a combo class. Did you think it was a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Your teacher said you did really well. And I got to see you, and I put some little clips on Instagram. So if you don't follow us already, the link is down below. Are you excited to go next week? You're gonna be going on Mondays. Mondays is your dance class.
Today I'm right there for 2.
Monday mornings, because I have someone that can watch Lachlan. That way it's just you and I going. An update about her dental stuff that's going on. So we're not gonna be able to get her ties done at the same time as when she's under for all of her dental work. It's just not gonna work out with the 2 offices and the surgery center and everything. We've submitted the treatment plan to our dental insurance and we're waiting for the approval. And then we're also submitting like approval for her to go to like the surgery center with our medical insurance. So we need that approval as well. And then we're gonna get everything scheduled. The infected tooth actually a couple of days ago formed an abscess on the roof of her mouth. And so now she is on antibiotics since, not yesterday, but the day before. She started antibiotics again, just to try to take care of that abscess and buy us more time until we can get her in there. I believe what we're going to be doing is pulling 2 teeth, 3 fillings. I'm not sure if we're doing the spacers because she's technically not supposed to have metal. I'm gonna try to get her in to see an orthodontist so that way we can kind of get their opinion on other alternatives to make sure that nothing shifts. Instead of doing the spacer, we're kind of just playing it by ear. Lachlan's been getting blood work every week since he was discharged from the hospital, and his blood work has been really good, and he was able to go off of his antibiotic yesterday. And then next week he does blood work and a check blah 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 blah. Next week he will have blood work and a chest x-ray just to see how everything's doing. But he's doing great, honestly. We're good. So the little hobbits had second breakfast. What'd you guys eat? Oatmeal. You eating your oatmeal? Originally Lachlan wanted mac and cheese, and he even pulled the leftovers out of the fridge. And then once he saw that Allison had oatmeal, this little guy needed some oatmeal too. Normally like their cereal is kind of like a morning snack, and then usually they end up eating, you want both? They end up eating again. When Lachlan was in the hospital, he lost a little over 2 pounds, and now he is 30 even, and he's even gained a little bit back. So that's great news. You're getting so healthy. You're recovering really well. You have what?
I have big phone.
You have big what?
Yeah, big phone.
Oh, you're getting big and strong?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you.
Tiger.
Like Daniel Tiger?
Yeah. Wee wee.
Oh, like mom?
Yeah.
Aww. Yeah, this kid eats non-stop like no other. He seriously, at this point, he eats more than Allison does, I feel. But oddly enough, at this age, Allison weighed more than him, but she was a little bit shorter. So he weighs less than she did at this age, but he's taller. So that's kind of interesting for you. So I add these to our food whenever I can, but especially their oatmeal. So hemp hearts and chia seeds. And both of these go into their oatmeal. I add these a lot to dinner whenever I can. Chia seeds are mainly like for baking, but their oatmeal is something that they get both in, and it's just to add some extra nutrients and protein and omegas and everything into their diet, and then it helps a little bit. So all right, so our room is still kind of a disaster from everything that happened last month. So I'm basically just gonna be focusing on laundry today. This is the kids and this is mine. Out of the kids, myself and Lilith, I have the least amount of clothes. And then I would say Lily has the most. So yeah, we're gonna do some laundry. So the kids are still eating their lunch and finishing up their tablet time. Their tablets are timed, and so they only have a certain amount of time to watch videos and play on apps and stuff a day. But I'm so excited. The rest of Allison's ballet or dance stuff arrived. I got her a 12, but these kind of look big, so I'm gonna have to have her try these on. I might have to exchange these for a size smaller. And then this is, oh my goodness, it's so cute, but I think it's too small. Oh no. I think it's too small. I love it. It is so cute. Allison, you want to come try on the dance stuff I got you? So one problem ordering off Amazon. Okay, that's the one thing I don't like ordering off Amazon, is because I don't know about the sizing. In some stuff 4 to 6 is great for her, and others it's too small. In some things she fits 7 to 8. So I don't know, but I think this is too small.
Purple.
You like purple?
Yeah.
It fits, but it just, I don't know. It looks like it might be too small. I love it though. It looks so cute. Here, try on your shoes. We might have to ask Mom to see what she thinks.
I think these shoes are too big.
Yeah, I think we need to go down a shoe size and up a dress size. Okay, put your shoes on. Oh man.
Did not fit. But they do feel good.
Well, no, these are, put your foot all the way back. Her toe's right here. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to go down a shoe size, up a dress size.
Okay. Wait for watching it. It feels like to the wall with them.
I will go ahead and link this,
Let me walk around with it.
Okay,
and
walk around.
I need my food.
Okay, so we're gonna keep the dress in that size because it's, if you pull up the top, there's like this much room and it can stretch, and the dance outfits are supposed to be a little bit tighter, so we're gonna keep that. All else fails in a couple of months. If she needs it, we'll just get a bigger size. But the shoes definitely need to be a size smaller. The 12 is way too big, so we're gonna go down to an 11. So I'm gonna get the return started on that. It is 2:10, and at 3, it is 2:10 right now, and at 3 o'clock I need to go to my doctor's appointment. I've been struggling with my hearing for a while now, especially after Allison was born. I started getting like really bad ear infections, and then just over time it just got worse and worse, and a lot of the time if I'm not facing someone, I can't hear what they're saying. Like, I can hear that they're talking, but I can't understand some of the words, especially if they're talking like really fast or something. Even like, I can't watch TV without subtitles kind of thing. And if you watched my rattlesnake video, which I'll link, I almost stepped on a rattlesnake because I was looking at Lily talking so I can hear her, and I wasn't like facing forward properly, and I almost stepped on a rattlesnake. So it's been a long time. Lily's been trying to get me to go to the doctor for it for a really long time. I went to my primary last week and got my referral, so today is the day that I'm gonna get an actual, sorry about the light, today's the day I'm gonna get an actual hearing test done, and they should be able to tell me what's going on and what exactly I need. So we'll see what happens. Good morning. It is the next day. It is like 10 in the morning and we are already up and at 'em, and it's been a busy morning already. So I didn't vlog what happened at my appointment yesterday. So I had my hearing test, and they said that my hearing is okay. Like, I'm still technically in normal range, but specifically, thank you guys for sharing.
I wanted the whole bag.
Oh, okay.
I want the pizza thing.
We don't, those are in the back, babe. We don't have one right now. And Target. So specifically my right ear is literally on the line of normal. So if it had dropped, then it would have been considered some hearing loss, but it's like on the line, if that makes sense. And some of the times during the testing, it was like I wasn't 100% sure if I was hearing something. It's like I kind of thought I was hearing something, and so either way, regardless, I'm going to be going to an ENT. I'm thinking I just need to get like them fully cleaned out. I think that'll help. And then I was going to look into like a homeopathic remedy for allergies, because she was saying that there's like a tube in your ear that can become irritated and it can cause like muffled hearing. So I'm going to see if that will help me. So I'm gonna get my appointment with the ENT set up. We went to Sprouts, got some groceries, just a little bit. We still had plenty of groceries, just a couple of things that we needed. And then we are running over to Target super quick. We just need a couple of things, maybe look around. And then we're gonna pick up some lunch and we're gonna head home. Okay, so it's been a little bit. We were out of the house running errands and appointments and everything from 8:30 in the morning till it was like 1:30. So we were so tired when we got back home. We did lunch, and the kids got some quiet time, and Lily and I went and relaxed, and we were all just overstimulated and tired and just exhausted. So now we're all feeling a little bit better, not as cranky. So we're gonna have some special family time because we let the kids get something at the store, which we don't normally do, but why not every once in a while? So we're gonna have some family time.